Do you want to learn about websites that can start making you money online so you can earn money like this? So the only thing that you're going to have to do is, hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing a few different websites that you can use to start making money online. So if you're somebody who's just looking for a different way to start earning money, whether you're just sick and tired of your regular job, or maybe you might be out of work because of the current situation that's going on, or whatever the case may be, then this video is going to help you out. Okay, so before I get into this video, I just want to invite you guys to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so the first website that you can actually make money online is a website that pays you to test out video games. Now this website is called PlayTestCloud. So in order to get started with this website, you're going to have to sign up to become a tester, and then you're going to take a qualification test. Now this test, they don't pay you anything to take this test. They just want to see if you're qualified to test out games. So if you pass the test, then you can start taking other tests and getting paid for them. Now this website is not going to earn you a lot of money. It's not going to supplement your income where you can quit your regular 9-to-5 job. This is just extra money that you can earn on the side. So if you have some free time and you want to test out video games, then this might be a good option for you to go with. Now the second website where you can earn some extra money is called Shutterstock. So I'm pretty sure most people have heard about this website. Basically, this is a stock image website. So if you're somebody who's looking for a stock image for your own website, your blog, or whatever you need it for, you can come to Shutterstock.com and you can use any of their images royalty free. But most people don't know that you can actually make money by uploading your own stock footage or stock images to Shutterstock. Now the way that it would work is that you would sign up to become a contributor. You're going to upload your content, and whenever somebody wants to buy the rights to use your content, you're going to get paid royalties. So I would recommend this website for anybody who's great at taking high quality images. Now the people who usually buy stock images, they buy photos of people, of nature, sports. So if you can get high quality pictures or images of these kinds of content, then this might be a good option for you to go with. Now, the cool thing about Shutterstock is that it's not only limited to uploading your own stock photos. You can upload stock music, stock footage, and even vector art. So if you know how to create any of this kind of content, then I recommend checking out Shutterstock. Now the third website that you can make money online is a website called Printful. So basically what this is a print-on-demand service. So what you would do is you would come up with a t-shirt design, and then you would sell that design on a t-shirt. So you can sell t-shirts on platforms like eBay, on Etsy. You can create a Shopify store, or you can just make your own website. So whenever somebody sees your t-shirt and they want to buy it, all you have to do is just go to Printful, and then they're going to fulfill the order. So it's going to get printed on the shirt and it's going to get shipped out to the customer. So the cool thing about this method is that you don't have to invest a lot of money into having shirts already made and just having them sit there and waiting for them to sell. So basically that's the whole premise. It's called print on demand. So when a shirt sells, it gets printed and shipped to the customer. Now one thing that I want you to keep in mind is that you have to factor in the cost of what it costs to make the shirt and have it shipped out to the customer. So let's say, for example, that it's going to cost you as the seller $13 to make the shirt and have it shipped out to the customer. So you need to add your commission on top of that. So if a shirt is costing you $13 to make, you could sell it for $20 and you'd be making $7 profit. So that's just something to keep in mind. Okay, so real quick before I share the last website with you to make money online, I just want to say if you're somebody who's looking to start your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, then I highly recommend checking out the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. Now, over the course of 15 days, you're going to learn how to build a high-ticket, high-profit business online. And you're going to learn the 4 core business models of having a successful business. Now, I just want to let you guys know this isn't free, the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, but it's only $7. So if you're somebody who's interested in that, I'm going to leave the link in the top of the description in this video. Okay, so the last website that I want to talk about is a website called Clickbank. So Clickbank is a pretty popular website. It's been around for years, and if you don't know what it is, it's an affiliate marketing program. So this is a website where you can sign up as an affiliate, and there's tons of different affiliate products that you can promote. You just pick out what category that you want to focus on, and there's going to be a whole list of different products that fall under that category. For example, if you want to promote something that's in the health and fitness niche, all you have to do is just go to that category, and you're going to see a whole list of items or products that fall under that category. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail about how to pick a product using Clickbank because I've done that in previous videos. And I actually created a series called Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. And if you guys want to check that out, I'm going to leave the card up here so you guys can watch it. But just to quickly explain what affiliate marketing is, it's where you're promoting somebody else's product online through your own specific affiliate link. And whenever somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they purchase that product, then you earn a commission. That's how I was able to earn daily commissions just like this. But those are basically the different websites that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you guys found it helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out the video. And let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about these websites. Well, that's pretty much it for this one. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.